Trackless MT7, setting up the mower. Hold the blue button, pull back, we'll fold your wings down into position. Your main deck on float. Engage your PTO, push the button, hold it. When the green light comes on, your PTO is engaged. Press your right hydraulic power, we'll turn on your right wing. Pressing the left hydraulic power will engage the left wing. Make sure you have your sander option on run, that way your left wing will be running all the time. Tractor and PTO work mode. Throttle up, full throttle. Go forward on your joystick, start mowing.